a second-hand 2013 Honda City for a reasonable price. Now, let's buy car accessories online and install it in My Sweet Ride. Then, let's see if what we bought online is a hashtag coolboy material. Hello, cool boys. So today I'm very happy for this. This is a cool boy accessory. I'll give you a hint, actually a trivia. The first tow car was built in 1916 by Ernest Holmes to pull his car out of a creek. So you know what this is? This is a a tow hook. Well, actually, I don't know if it's a hook, but it's a ring. So this one is really nice. It's a red, the type of color I'm going for. As you can see, your hook is not even noticeable. But if you look under, this is your tow hook. This is where you can either pull a car or it can pull you in case your car breaks down. So we are gonna install the tow hook in here, and that is why you add a tow hook. Look at that, candy red. Very yummy. Alright, so for this install you need two tools. One, an adjustable wrench, and a socket wrench. That's all you need. So you're wondering, why do I need these two things? Because you need to lock this nut and bolt in place. So the first thing you want to do is locate this, because this is where you're gonna put this guy. So you do it like this. There you go. Oh, don't forget to put the washer. So for this install, I'm very happy with this. This just took me less than 5 minutes and I don't need any special tools. And this one costs around 55 ringgit. This is the JDM tow hook. And color is really nice. I'm going for a red, as you can see here. See? So this one, I'm gonna give this an okay. And this is a certified cool boy accessories. So there we go. So don't forget to like and subscribe. So keep safe and stay at home.